Yesterday, a nearly brand-new Lufthansa Boeing 787 Dreamliner suffered a sudden, catastrophic nose gear collapse while parked at the gate in Frankfurt Airport. The aircraft was preparing to board passengers for Los Angeles when the front landing gear completely retracted, slamming the aircraft's nose onto the tarmac. Ground crew members were injured during the impact, and the lower fuselage sustained significant structural damage. Back in June 2021, a British Airways 787 suffered the exact same fate at London Heathrow. As you can see from these images, the aircraft came to rest directly on its lower fuselage, crushing the nose gear doors. In that case, mechanics in the cockpit recycled the landing gear lever to test the doors. Because the ground crew had accidentally placed the safety pin into the wrong hole, the system was unprotected, causing the gear to retract. Now, investigators must determine if Lufthansa's brand-new Dreamliner suffered a similar maintenance oversight, or if we are looking at a completely new mechanical failure. And don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, it's so good.